There's a lot of breaks, Joe. A lot of breaks. Got 15% off Clear Vision N7 and N8. 6 teams in 7, 9 teams in 8. Got Prestige Football N4 coming up right now. Here we go. Good luck. Gotta get your fix, huh? Gurley, big board. Funchess, rookie. Anybody want those Kid Reporter cards? Perryman, prestigious picks. And Nelson. Andy Dalton, franchise favorites. Waller, rookie. A nice hit. Tyler Lockett, rookie jumbo patch. Nice looking patch there. Got a little bit of green. That one is not numbered. Huh. For the Seahawks, Ronald, K-I-N. There you go. Bennett, rookie. There's an Odell, franchise favorites. And Allen. Another Tyler Lockett, rookie auto. 44 of 100 for the Seahawks. Ronald, K-I-N. Ekpri Alamu. Oh, gotta love it. Perryman, extra points. Got blue chip, TJ Yeldon. Duke Johnson, rookie. Yeah, we've been pulling some heat lately. Wednesday night, or Tuesday night was crazy, all the stuff we pulled. Bradshaw, Super Bowl heroes. Amir Abdullah, rookie. They've been spreading out pretty well. LaShawn McCoy, extra points. Greenberry. Gurley, road to the NFL. Waynes, rookie. Mari Cooper and Thompson. Langford, rookie. Shelton, rookie. He is the name expert. Prestigious picks, Melvin Gordon. And Hardy, rookie. Le'Veon Bell, NFL Shield. And Harper. Vincent Jackson, Captain's Collection. Got a Titus Davis, rookie auto. For the Chargers, Jeremy, MCN. Ajayi, rookie. Kevin White, big board. Fowler Jr., rookie. Last week was a ton of fun. I can't wait for next year. Jalen Strong, draft picks. And Hundley, rookie. Green Beckham. Extra points. 50 of 50. There we go for the Titans. Jeremy, MCN. The gold extra points. Blue chip, Todd Gurley and Jalen Strong, rookie. Another rookie jumbo patch. Devin Funches for the Panthers. Reggie, G-I-E. Nice three-color patch. That one's not numbered either. Cooper, rookie. We were excited about that. The grand prize. Kenny Bell, extra points. Goldman, rookie. Davis and Parker, rookies. Oh, hold on, I'll tell you in a minute. Marcus Allen, Super Bowl Heroes. And Lippett, rookie. There's a nice hit. Jay Ajayi. The draft picks auto. 47 of 99 for the Dolphins. Eric, H-I-L. Kevin White, road to the NFL. And Williams, rookie. Mariota, rookie. And Shaw. And the box topper. Let's see what we got. Ooh. Got the Mariota box topper. It's going to the Titans. Jeremy, MCN. Hoping for the auto. I think they've got auto box toppers in this. All right, that'll do it for Prestige and 4. Dano was there. A couple friends of ours. Mush is a friend. He used to collect a little bit when he was younger. He's more of a... He likes the Packers a little bit. He likes the Saints a little bit. But he doesn't follow... He's been following more lately, the last year or so, but just wasn't a real big sports fan. And we started messing with cards. Got him involved a little bit, and he more just likes to collect certain players. He's starting to learn though. There you go, Jeremy. Come on out to Atlantic City. I don't know if you collect Garbage Pail Kids or not.
Oh my gosh, those used to be the coolest things ever.
Garbage Pail Kids?
Yes.
I think... Joe, don't you collect Garbage Pail Kids stuff?
Oh my gosh.
Or was that...
So cool,
somebody did.
They always had pictures of them puking and...
What's going on, Stephanie?
Those are pretty cool.
Nothing huge yet tonight. We still got a few breaks to do. 6 teams left in Clear Vision number 8. 5 teams in Clear Vision number 7. Those are both 15% off. We close those out. I'll get you guys 20% off Prism number 20. I'm going to start a fresh video. We got our monthly member giveaway coming up in just a minute. I'll be right back, guys.
Fastball two-seamer goes off the plate and down, or you bounce a breaking ball. Check, breaking one around the breaking ball. Down goes Jones. Guy identifies the tag. Second strikeout for Panini. We head to the bottom of the 5th, top of the order, coming up for the Angels. It's a golden opportunity to discover.
You think you're done?
No, I'm just thinking. What's up? You can get clear things like these.
Simpler,
You know,
faster, sleeker, earlier, fresher, harder,
you want me to hold one?
quicker, and yet even on Sunday. What's next? We'll show you.